Araku Valley, known for being a beautiful hill station, is also famous for some of its finest coffee plantation from the country. Fresh coffee beans are hand-picked, and processed in clean and hygienic environment. This high-quality beans can be only relished at Araku Aroma Coffee. Araku Aroma Coffee, India's first tribal coffee cafe chain, by Mr. S. Krishna Chaitanya. Working with 5,000 farmers, spread across 10,000 acres of coffee plantation, in Araku Valley. Araku Aroma Coffee is first coffee cafe brand in India, which uses finest and purest Araku Valley coffee beans. Araku Aroma is spread across India with over 15 outlets, and 1 in USA. Our mission is to provide best quality organic tribal coffee, at affordable pricing to every section of society. Our R&D department's located in Hyderabad. And Araku Valley ensures best and authentic taste in every cup of coffee. If you are a coffee lover, Araku Aroma is a place you must visit. Contact us for more details.